I'm sure you click this video because you want to start trading cryptocurrency. Well, you are in the right place. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all the relevant tools that you are going to need as a beginner, all right, trader, all right. So these tools are going to be available for totally free. No money is required. However, in the future, if you are now a profitable trader, then there are some tools in which you need to what improve. You can use the pro version, but for now I'm going to show you what the basic version of like some of these tools. All right, if you are joining me for the first time, I'm Joseph Sesay and welcome to the Joseph Sesay Concept. On this channel I talk about cryptocurrency, forex trading, and also what personal finance. All right, so without wasting much of your time, the first tool that you are going to need as a crypto trader is exchange. All right, you need an exchange account. What is an exchange? If you have not watched the episode 1 of this particular series, please ensure you watch. The link will be in the description section. This is what crypto terminologies for beginners. I explain all the 59 what terminologies you are required to know as a beginner crypto trader. So an exchange basically is a platform where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, where basically trading is done. And as we know, trading is what the buying and selling. So somebody is buying and somebody is selling. If you are like a forex trader that wants to come to crypto trading, like in forex they say broker, okay, but in crypto trading we call them what, exchanges. All right, there are a lot of exchanges. However, there are some I'm going to like recommend for you and all that, and you need to subscribe now and turn on your bell notification icon on, because I'm going to show you how to open an account and how to what verify your account and do deposits and other things. So the first tool you are going to need is what, an exchange account. When doing an exchange account, you are going to look for certain things before you select. Firstly, you have to make sure like this particular exchange is being regulated. All right, so you know that your money is safe. You also look at what the trading fees that are available, because some exchanges like really charge high trading fees. Okay, and you also look how like to deposit money. How easy is it to deposit money and how to withdraw money back to your bank account and all that. So you need to look for that in an exchange. So I'll open, like, basically for me I use Binance and I use Bybit. So ensure you subscribe so you don't miss out the next video I'm going to do on how to open what, an account in one of these exchanges. All right, so basically the first tool that you are going to need to start your career as a crypto trader is what, an exchange. Okay, don't forget there are a lot of exchanges available, but please be mindful. You have to look at some of the things that I've mentioned when looking to open an account in an exchange. Okay, the second tool that you are going to require is what, a tool that helps you what, to do your technical analysis breakdown. Like the technical analysis is going to be a whole episode where we are going to talk about candlestick patterns, we are going to talk about support and resistance, we are going to talk about demand and supply and other things. Okay, so this is what talks about price action, how price is moving in the market, where you can basically do your analysis. We have like different kinds of analysis, all right? Fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentimental analysis, and all that. But that's another video for the future. So basically, what you need to do is the particular platform I recommend what, TradingView. TradingView is a free platform that you can trade. That you can just go and analyze different markets, whether it be crypto, it's be forex, it's be futures and other markets. You can basically like use it for free. I've been using the free plan for quite some time and I'm comfortable using it. However, in the future, if you are a profitable trader, you can basically what, use the pro version. It gives you some kind of like extra features to use. But as a beginner, you can basically use what, the free basic feature, which is totally free. And make sure you subscribe, all right? Because I'm going to show you how to open a TradingView account and how to do your setup and everything. All right, so that's the second tool that you are going to need. The third tool is what, a security tool. All right, when you try to open an application app, basically you can download from what, Play Store or App Store. All right, and when you download, then you can set up. I'll show you also how to do that in the future. All right, so you just need to what, subscribe. If you are finding value so far in this video, it's going to make my day if you subscribe and you like this video. So this Google Authenticator app basically like changes what, numbers, figures, all right, every 5 seconds. So which means whenever you want to log into your exchange account, basically you need to enter what, this figure, which means it's basically like safe, right? it avoids your account being hacked. So security is very paramount. The next tool that we are going to talk about, all right, the fourth tool that you are going to need as a beginner crypto trader is what? A wallet. Just like the name implies, a wallet is where you store your cryptocurrencies. Okay, you are going to store your cryptocurrency. You can also buy from your wallet. And basically, as a beginner, I'm not going to advise you to use like what this advanced wallet, this like cold wallet, all right, like the ledger, the trezor, and others, all right. Like basically you can start with what this digital online wallet, all right, like mobile apps like what the trust wallet, the metamask, all right. I'm going to show you how to open trust wallet and how you can set it up and start saving cryptocurrencies, or you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and how you can transfer, all right, from what, how you can transfer cryptocurrency from your exchange to your trust wallet, all right, if you don't want to store your cryptocurrencies in the exchange, and how you can move again from your trust wallet to what, your exchange as well. All right, so you are basically going to need the first tool that I mentioned of here is what you need, an exchange account. Okay, and you have certain things you need to look for when opening an exchange account. The second tool also is what, a technical breakdown of your technical analysis, where I mentioned about what, trading view. However, these tools are all, the links are going to be in the description section. If you want to open an account without waiting for my future videos, the links will be in the description section. And we have a Telegram group where I share like what, basic insights. So you can basically join the family. The link will be in the description section, and you can follow me, all right, on all social media platforms. I'm more active using Instagram, okay, at Joseph Sesay Concepts. You can just like send me a message and let's wrap up. And you need to join the Telegram group because I'll be sending what, free signals. So signal basically means whenever I enter a trade, I'm going to share it with you, like I'm entering into this particular position. So in case you want to place trade, and you can basically like place trade. Crypto trading is not like difficult as like people try to say it. Although most people think like it's a scam, but crypto is real. You can make a lot of cash the same way you can lose like a lot of money. All you need to know is like knowing the exact strategy. When you know the exact strategy, everything is like basic. So this is going to be the episode 2. All right, out of what, 100 episode. This is the episode 2. Episode 1, I talked about crypto terminologies for beginners. Basically, the words you need to know. All right, if you want to start about cryptocurrency, like you can hear about what, like you can hear bullish, you can hear bearish, you can hear liquidity, you can hear volatility, support and resistance. You don't know this term, so you need to understand this term. So it's going to be easy for you when we start using what, these terminologies in our day-to-day activities trading cryptocurrencies. Okay, so guys, basically these are the 4 essential tools. However, please note there are a lot of tools that you are going to be required. In as much as you are a beginner trader, I will advise you just focus on these 4 tools that I've mentioned. Probably you might check out another video, they talked about different tools, yeah, but as a beginner, these are the tools that I use, and I try to like develop myself and all. So all right, so I'm not a professional trader, however I'm trying to be like what, profitable. So I want to share what my ideas so far in this crypto space, and try to make things happen for you as well. Try for you to be profitable as soon as you can. We are in this together. If you appreciate my effort, please drop 100 in the comment section. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and turn on the bell notification icon on. You know what happens when you turn on the bell notification icon on? Whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Sorry about my voice, I have a little bit of flu. It's currently cold here. I'm currently residing in Turkey. If you don't know, I'm an international student and a part-time crypto trader. I'm currently at work as well, where I'm recording. It's break time, so I just want to use this opportunity to record this video for you guys. Thanks so much, guys. Peace and light. See you on my upcoming videos.